Welcome back to Spy Garage.
As envisioned for a tour in 4K, the 2025 Prevost Emerald Royal Class Motorcoach with Super Suite is the pinnacle of mobile luxury, going beyond the typical motorhome to become a fully customized residential experience on wheels. This fictitious vehicle, which is based on the renowned Prevost chassis, is made for the most discriminating customers and represents an unmatched combination of strong engineering, fine craftsmanship, and cutting-edge technology. The 2025 Prevost Emerald Royal Class exudes vast grandeur and painstaking attention to detail from the moment you step inside. The Royal Class classification denotes an interior space where all fixtures, surfaces, and technological integrations have been chosen and implemented to the highest standards. The design style is one of subtle luxury, fusing modern sophistication with traditional grace. The eye is led through the roomy arrangement by hand-finished hardwood flooring, which may have been imported and custom-laid in elaborate patterns. A sophisticated, multi-zone LED lighting system that provides total ambience control can illuminate walls that are embellished with rich fabric panels, handmade leather, or even discreet, integrated art pieces. The main living space, often known as the salon, is intended for both private relaxation and lavish entertaining. There is plenty of seating thanks to luxurious, specially made furniture that is upholstered in the best leathers or foreign textiles. In addition to a cutting-edge audiophile-grade sound system that provides immersive audio throughout the coach, this section usually has enormous, retractable HD TVs that blend in perfectly with the cabinetry. The Super Suite feature alludes to a larger living area, which might be accomplished by adding many deep slide-out sections that greatly increase the usable square footage when parked. The gourmet kitchen, which is next to the salon, is an example of practical luxury. It is made for serious culinary activities and comes with full-sized, high-end home appliances such as a dishwasher, huge refrigerator/freezer, convection oven, and induction cooktop. Custom cabinetry with soft-close mechanisms and plenty of storage for cookware and provisions would always be paired with countertops made of polished natural stone or premium quartz. Elegant meals on the road are made possible by a built-in dining space, possibly equipped with a table that can be extended and custom chairs. In the private areas, especially the Super Suite, the Prevost Emerald really transforms into a mobile haven. The master bedroom is a spacious haven with a king-sized bed that can be adjusted and luxurious linen. Plenty of space for personal possessions is provided by large wardrobes, which are frequently walk-in closets. With heated towel rails, 2 vanities made of fine materials, a separate water closet, and a big walk-in shower with numerous shower heads, often with a rainfall feature. The en-suite master bathroom is nothing short of a spa experience. The sensation is further enhanced by the employment of expensive fixtures and elaborate tile work. In terms of technology, the 2025 Prevost Emerald Royal Class is a mobile smart house. Almost every feature of the car is controlled by an all-inclusive, user-friendly smart coach system, including power management, entertainment systems, security monitoring, climate control, and motorized window shades. Even in rural areas, seamless connectivity is guaranteed by sophisticated communication technologies like cellular boosters and multi-band satellite internet. With large freshwater and black/gray water tanks, a powerful silent generator, and large lithium-ion battery banks to enable prolonged off-grid life, the coach would be completely self-sufficient. The Prevost chassis underneath offers an exceptionally smooth, quiet, and steady ride that makes lengthy trips wonderfully comfortable. While the strong drivetrain guarantees smooth cruising, the cutting-edge air ride suspension technology shields the living area from road imperfections. The 2025 Prevost Emerald Royal Class with Super Suite is more than just a car. It's a finely constructed mobile palace made to offer the world's most affluent people an unmatched living and travel experience.